Golu grows a nose. Hello friends, I am Prishka. Today we are going to study English literature book and Alien Hands 5th chapter Golu grows a nose. It seems very interesting. So first without reading our chapter we will see in short summary. Let's go to the past. Long ago, the elephant had no tongue. They had only a bulgy nose. They can wiggle it but couldn't pick up things with it. This is a story of baby elephant known as Golu. He was full of questions. Once this habit made him in a problem, and his nose became longer and longer, all about 5 feet. From that time, elephants have their long trunks. So let's read it. It seems interesting. Once upon a time, there was a baby elephant, Golu. He asked such difficult questions from everyone, which can't be answered. He asked from ostrich, why can't you ever fly like other birds? He asked from giraffe, why are you having so spotty skin? From hippopotamus, why are you having your eyes so red? He asked from baboon, why melons taste like melons? They all said he is a naughty boy. Why? Because they don't know the answer. Even everyone here seeing my video can't answer this question because these are a type of nonsense questions. Once he asked from Myna bird that what does a crocodile have for dinner? She said you can go to the Limpopo river and ask from the crocodile. Now where will the crocodile visit? To the Limpopo river. Preparing to visit the Limpopo river now. Now the Golu is preparing to visit the crocodile. Now what he took? He took 100 sugar cane, 50 dozen banana. How many bananas are there in 1 dozen? There are 12 dozen. So think about 50 dozen. 25 melons. Melons, watermelons. He said to his family, bye bye, I'm going to visit the Limpopo river to meet the crocodile and I will ask him my questions. So he was very excited. While he was moving on, he met Python and asked, have you ever seen a crocodile? What does he have for dinner? How does he look like? Python didn't respond. He uncoiled himself on the branch. Golu quietly moved on. He was very excited because he had never seen a crocodile. Finally, Golu with crocodile. Now, I'm very excited to read it. Now, after a few days, Golu had made the crocodile. He asked the crocodile that you have ever seen a crocodile. Means he had never seen a crocodile, so he was not having even a guess that it may be crocodile. He is asking from a crocodile that are you crocodile? Then crocodile replied that I am crocodile. Tell me what do you want? Then he replied, oh really? So what do you have for your dinner? So he tell, come near me, I will tell you. Now he goes near him and then Golu replies. Then the crocodile said that I will whisper in your ears. He took his ear near him and then the crocodile said that today my dinner will be you. You will be my dinner today. The python, who was slowly coming back to the Golu, said to the Golu, don't go near him. But he was late. Golu said to the crocodile, leave me, it is hurting. Crocodile said, today a baby elephant will be my dinner. Python stretched Golu and there crocodile was also stretching him. While they both were stretching, Golu's nose grows 5 feet long. At last, Golu was saved. Now, the benefits of long nose. Now, what are the benefits of long nose? At last, Python tells some advantages of long nose. Why? Because the Golu was sad because everyone was having small and bulgy nose, so he was sad. So you can pick up things with it. If you want to eat grass, you can pick up with your tongue and have it. You can protect yourself with this tongue. If you a bee attacks on you, you can save yourself by this tongue. So who is the writer of this story? Rudyard Kipling. Thanks and have a wonderful day.